I'm a Tesla certified technician, and I've seen hundreds of people buy used Teslas and get burned because they didn't know what to check. Buying a used Tesla can save you $10,000 to $20,000 compared to new, but only if you do your homework. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 most important things you need to check before buying a used Tesla, what model years to avoid, and where the best deals are right now. Let's get into it. Starting at number 5, you need to verify the battery health before you buy. Replacing a Tesla battery costs $13,000 to $20,000. If you skip this step, you're gambling with the entire value of the car. Here's how to check it. Tesla has an official battery health test built into the software. Go to Controls, Service, Battery Health Test. The test requires the battery below 20% charge, plugged into an AC charger, and takes 12 to 48 hours. For a faster option, open the Tesla app, go to Service, Request Service, Battery and Charging, Range, and type in loss of range. The app gives you results in minutes. You can also use Scan My Tesla app for about $15, plus an OBD2 dongle for real-time data. Here are the acceptable benchmarks. At 50,000 miles, you should see 92 to 94% battery health. At 100,000 miles, 88 to 92%. At 150,000 miles, 86 to 90%. At 200,000 miles, 85 to 88%. If a Tesla has less than 85% battery health at 100,000 miles, walk away. Warning signs include sudden range drops, error codes like BMSU 029, or extremely slow supercharger speeds. Tesla's battery warranty covers 8 years with varying mileage limits. Model S and X get 150,000 miles. Model 3 and Y long range get 120,000 miles. The warranty guarantees 70% minimum capacity. If you're buying a used Tesla close to the end of that warranty, you need to know exactly what you're getting. Number 4. You need to know which model years to avoid. Model S, avoid 2012 to 2017. These have MCU1 failure, where the touchscreen dies, costing $1,900 to $2,500 to upgrade. They also had drive unit problems costing $10,000 to $12,000, and door handle failures at $250 to $500 per handle. Best Model S years are 2019 to 2020 or 2021, and newer. Model X, avoid 2016 to 2017. Chronic Falcon wing door problems and air suspension failures at 50,000 to 80,000 miles, costing $1,500 to $6,500. Best years are 2019 and newer. Model 3, avoid 2017 and early 2018. Tesla was in production hell with severe panel gaps, paint issues, and squeaking suspension. Best years are 2020 to 2021, or the 2024 Highland Refresh. Model Y, be cautious with 2020. Heat pump failures in cold climates. Consumer Reports gave it 36 out of 100 reliability. Best years are 2021 or 2022 to 2023. At number 3, physical inspection priorities. Door handles on Model S, test every one multiple times. They fail at 5 times the industry average. Suspension, listen for clunking over bumps. Air suspension fails at 50,000 to 80,000 miles. Touchscreen, check for yellowing edges on pre-2018 Model S and X. That's MCU1 dying. Paint quality, Tesla paint is notoriously thin. Check the front bumper and hood for rock chips. Panel gaps should be consistent, under 4 mm variance. The 12-volt battery, check for warning messages. When it dies, the car becomes a brick. Replacement is $110 to $200. Brakes, Check rotors for heavy rust. Tires. Teslas eat tires. Expect 25,000 to 30,000 miles per set. Check for uneven wear indicating suspension problems. Number 2. Verify the hardware version and features. Hardware 1, October 2014 to October 2016. Basic autopilot only, no upgrade path. Hardware 2 and 2.5, October 2016 to April 2019. Enhanced autopilot capable. Hardware 3, April 2019 to January 2023. Full self-driving capable, but cannot achieve unsupervised autonomy. Hardware 4, January 2023 to present. 3 to 5 times faster. Only version running FSD version 13. Check hardware by looking at cameras. Hardware 4 has red-tinted lenses. Hardware 3 and older have black lenses. Full self-driving transfer. If bought from a private seller, FSD transfers with the car. But if the car passes through Tesla or dealers, Tesla may remotely remove it. Get written confirmation. Free supercharging. Vehicles ordered before January 15, 2017 may have transferable free unlimited supercharging coded as SC01, worth thousands over the car's life. And number 1, where to buy and what to pay. Tesla's official used inventory gives you an additional 1-year, 10,000-mile warranty, but no test drives, no inspections allowed, and higher prices. Private party sales let FSD transfer to you. You can negotiate and inspect the car. No warranty unless original is active. Third-party dealers offer return policies, but may have FSD removed by Tesla after purchase. Here's current pricing for late 2024, early 2025. Model 3, 2021 to 2022. Expect $22,000 to $28,000. Under $21,000 is a deal. Model Y, 2022, expect $28,000 to $35,000. The sweet spot for best value is a Model 3 long-range 2020 to 2022 at $22,000 to $28,000, or Model Y, long-range 2021 to 2023 at $28,000 to $35,000. Deductions for problems: 100,000 to 150,000 miles. Deduct $5,000 to $8,000. Moderate accident history. Deduct 20 to 30%. Battery degradation 15 to 20%. Deduct $3,000 to $5,000. When to walk away? Salvage title. Seller refuses inspection. Flood damage, or battery showing over 20% degradation at low mileage. Get a pre-purchase inspection. Budget $250 to $500 for a Tesla specialist. Independent shops like Gruber Motor Company or Spection offer full inspections including battery health checks. It's worth every penny. Here's my final advice. The best used Tesla deal right now is a 2020 to 2022 Model 3 long range with under 60,000 miles. Hardware 3 or better, clean title, and battery health above 90%. Pay $22,000 to $26,000. If it has transferable full self-driving, that's worth $30,000 to $32,000. Avoid any Model S or X older than 2018 unless you have a $5,000 repair fund. And never buy a salvage title Tesla. If this guide just saved you from a bad purchase, hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment below with what used Tesla you're looking at and your budget. I read every comment.